Chris Johnson here, Rivertown Exterior Restoration down in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina area. And down fixing to do a small house, small roof job. So I'm gonna turn you around and show you the roof. So as you can see this roof, she's backing her car up now. You can see how dirty the back roof is. I'll make some videos while I'm up on it too. So, but anyway, we're fixing to wash, and you can see how dirty that roof is, and it should be nice, bright, and vibrant. So anyway, I'll restart the video in a little bit when we're up on the roof, and just show you some more roof work, and see you in a little bit. On the roof now, you can see how really dirty this roof is. It's incredibly dirty. So anyway, we started here on the back side and go to cleaning a little bit. So here we go. And like I say, there may be a deal where you have to put a couple coats on the roof. The goal is one, but you may have to do that second coat. If first one don't do the job. So it's I do have a 3-foot one on this application here. Turn you around. I don't like walking on a roof not paying attention. So anyway, you can see the results are dramatic. Awesome results. But anyway, I'll show you some after in just a little bit. Couple coats. That is an extremely dirty roof. I'm here to tell you that is a dirty roof. You can see on the back side. Just kind of giving you a little rundown. So you can see on the back where it's coming. There's still that one spot, and so may make my chemical a little bit hotter, just to save some time. You know what I mean? It's just 2 coats and it's still that dark. I'm shooting it with like a 2%. Man, I didn't really want to get any more than that, but whew, it's dirty. We're finished now, and so I'll walk you around. Little roof, but it was a stubborn roof. You can see some spots are drying, but if you remember what it looked like before, massive difference. See how this backside come out. So you can definitely see a difference there. Huge difference. Well, that's another one down.